Our topic for this video is all about limits. Limits suggest a boundary that may be reached or not, or possibly exceeded. Limit n approaches to 8 equals L. The limit of a sub n equals n. L as n increases without bound is L. Basic limits. Limit approaches to n. Limit n approaches to infinite. 1 over n equals 0. Limit n approaches to infinite, n equals infinite. Properties of limits. So this is the properties of limits. If you can see, this is the property. Example, limit n approaches to infinite, n plus 6. Limit n approaches to infinite, a sub n plus limit 6, n approaches to 8 equals infinite plus 6 equals infinite. Limit n approaches to 8, 4n plus 1 over n equals limit n approaches to infinite. The quantity of 4n over n plus 1 over n equals limit n approaches to infinite. The 4 plus 1 over n equals limit n approaches to infinite 4 plus limit n approaches to infinite 1 over n equals 4 plus 0 equals 4. Example number 3, limit n approaches to infinite 4 plus n 3 plus over n 4 plus 3 over n. Limit n approaches infinite 4 plus limit n approaches to 8 3 over n equals 4 plus limit n approaches to 8 times the quantity of limit n approaches to infinite times the 1 over n times 3 equals 4 plus the quantity of limit n approaches to infinite, or 1 over n times limit n approaches to infinite 3 equals 4 plus 0 times 3 equals 4. Limit theorem. This is the theorem 1, 2, and 3. Existence of limits. The limit of f as x approaches a may not exist. If x times x becomes infinitely large or infinitely small as x approaches the number of a from either side, limit x approaches to a equals infinite, or limit x approaches to a equals negative infinite. If limits a x approaches to a equals L and limit x is equal to a equals m and L is not equal to m, then limit x does not exist.